Welcome back to Driven Daily. If you've been following along, you know that it's time to start welding all the stuff we've been working on together. If you haven't been following along, go watch some of those past episodes that we've been uploading recently. Subscribe, and then you'll know what's happening with this, why I'm building it, and what's coming up in the 2019 season. Let's get to the welding, shall we? Alright, so that's lined up right where I want it to be. Pretty good to be welded now. Everything is cleaned up all the way around. No gaps anywhere. This is pretty nice, tight fit up. I think I'm ready. Now I've got to weld up the areas in the trunk, but I can't get a good shot on that. The only real concern back here is that I had to cover up the gas tank and all of its associated lines. So I just have a fiberglass anti-flammable sheet on top of that. And yeah, it makes access a little bit more difficult, but a little bit of safety is worth it. Ideally, you'd drop the gas tank out, but this is already taking enough time. I'm going to take a shortcut. So, no footage on this, sorry. Well, I don't know about you, but I could get used to these nice short episodes where everything goes swimmingly. Really, all the fit up was great. The welding was pretty easy, other than the back two corners where I did some welding yoga. There were no real challenges in this one. It went great. So with that, I think we can call the cage improvements for 2019 done. I'll have a couple more modifications that I have to make for Mount Washington, but that's a whole other year away, and hopefully I won't even be driving this car. I should be in the Datsun by then. So, in the next episode, we're gonna move on to the next project, but before you go, I have a favor to ask. I've been trying really hard to hit 500 subscribers for the past, I don't know, 3 months, something like that, and we've been consistently 5 or 10 subscribers under. So, all I want you to do is send the channel link to one person, just one friend that you think might be interested, and hopefully that'll be enough to get us over that 500 hump. And that milestone would really mean a lot to me. So thank you for sharing the link. Thanks for watching, and I'm really looking forward to the next episode. Bye.